90% of students get 0 here in boards.
Subscribe to SKN Educate.
90% of students get 0 here in boards. Look at this question. F equal to 10 centimeter, find V. It came in CBSE 2025. Everyone makes this mistake. Wrong sign. Remember this trick. Real is negative, left is negative. Object is always on the left, so U is negative. For convex lens, F is positive. Class 10 boards, don't make this mistake. Standard lens formula is negative. Use this super sign trick, substitute and solve it quickly, and you get full marks. Equals plus 30 centimeters. Plus means a real and inverted image. Convex lens focal length is always positive. Next poseway is positive. Examiner will ask, why is U negative? Object is on the left, 2 secured. 2 extra marks secured. Subscribe for more. 90% of students get 0 here. Remember, left side is always negative. Lens formula minus minus becomes plus. So V equals plus 30 centimeters. Subscribe for more board tricks. Know today, lead tomorrow.
Subscribe to SKN Educate.